Okay, so this is question 5 from section 4.5. Sung is 3 blocks east and 5 blocks south of her friend's home. How many different routes are possible if she walks only west or north? Okay, so I've already got this set up here. Sung's down here, again, east and south of her friend's home. Okay, north, south, east, west, there is there. And so we're counting the number of ways that you can get there. So we want to know the number of ways that you can get to this particular point. Okay, again, we take small steps. The only way for us to get to here is one way. So we count that as one way. The only way for us to get to here is one way. So we count that as one way. The only way for us to get to here is 2. We can count that as 1 or 2. Now remember, we can't backtrack. If we backtrack, there's an infinite number of possibilities. So this is the smallest amount of possibilities that can exist if progress is always made directly towards it, or in other words, north and west, just like it says in the question. Okay, again, to get to this point, you can only go there from this point, so there's only one way to get there, and 1, and 1, and 1. Similarly, there's only one way to get here because you can't come from any other direction. 1, because you can't come from any other direction this way. You can't come down, and you can't come back to the right. This, of course, would be 2 from this way, and 1 from this way, which is 3. 1 and 3, which is 4. 1 and 2, which is 3. 1 and 3, which is 4. 1 and 4, which is 5, to get to these particular intersections. And then 1 and 5, which is 6. Okay, take your time, because if you make one mistake here, you're going to make mistakes all the way along. 3 and 3 to get to that point, 6, and you can count them up if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but of course we want to do it in small steps. 4 and 6 is 10. 4 and 6 is 10. 10 and 10 is 20. 5 and 10 is 15. 15 and 6 is 21. 20 and 15 is 35. 35 and 21 is 56. So therefore, 56 ways to get to her friend's house. Okay, there you go, fairly straightforward.